that shit don't count. But it's been like 100 bands. Tryna run my bands, but your bitch so hard. And it's just like you running mad. I don't understand why this stick so loud. Don't care why this stick go out. Calling to make your bitch go.
You left your shit?
Left my fucking baby bottles, man.
Ain't no fucking re-up.
Got it on the street.
Hey, you better watch out for this. Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, I can handle this.
I'll start for a half a day.
That's what happens when you get a girl right here. All right, so all I do is feed your ass.
Man, I need that. I ain't never had that. Not had 3 girls, man.
Yeah, man, you bigger than me, shit.
Same fucking size, man. Where my foot goes? That shit already scraping off.
From your foot?
Yes, I don't know
What kind
how.
of shoes you wearing, bro?
Yeah, I don't. It's all every bar I get. I got a whole roll, so I ain't really tripping. And I did them in sections so that
You can
once this
peel
one,
the
I
section.
could just peel the section off.
Yeah. It's gotta be your foot wearing it down, man.
Man, I don't know how it's what cheap ass grip tape.
No, because you're bouncing on that shit,
I mean,
bro.
yeah, I'm beating on it for sure,
Yeah,
but
your foot's bouncing on
but
that.
Sean's his shit don't do that.
Your foot bouncing off of this?
Right here.
Is
Sean's
his
shit
foot
don't.
tighter against his or something? So it doesn't bounce as much?
I don't know.
Well, his bar is.
That's just
you
being
talking about
hot and him wearing it.
Sean.
Nah,
Sean
this
Jones.
is from my.
I was about to say his bar is perched up a little
That's
bit
what I'm
higher
saying.
than yours.
It's getting hot and then you putting your foot on there.
It's probably his foot rubbing back and forth on it.
Yeah.
That's where I put, exactly where I put my foot at.
You gotta go get your oil?
Nah. Oh, my girl about to pull up.
Oh.
It wasn't the oil. Nah, I'm sure.
Clutch.
Yeah, I don't drink pop. Huh?
I said that's clutch.
Yeah, I ain't have no baby bottles. I got oil in the van. I keep oil, but I took my baby bottles out because I washed my bike with Jet 2-3 days ago and never put them back in. But when she pull up, I'ma go to my garage right quick and get my oil out, refill the bottles, and then I'm out. He probably shouldn't have came back over here if this shit overheating.
That's what I said.
This shit blew up.
He should have went home. Why he got that
Put it in
much?
the truck. It won't fit in there.
That's Shorty from last time.
And then he makes my girls feel
Hey,
He's all.
they want you to go that way. They calling your name down there.
Yo, no, I ain't going down there. Fuck this.
They calling your name that way. That way, they calling your name. Alright. They ain't leaving.
I thought you were gonna bring your sister outside.
Man. I thought that was your big cousin right there. Come on. Step on that.
Right here. Nah, you be on here with me.
I am. I ain't no wheelie if you want me to wheelie. Yeah, I'm like that. Hey, my car retarded. Come, you hear me? Great. Hey, I fucking called you, weirdo.
I was here. I was waiting on y'all.
I was trying to see if you was here.
Oh, man, I am here.
I was waiting on you this whole time.
Pulled out, didn't he? He just pulled out, didn't he?
When did you get here?
Haven't I been here for a while? He's been doing
Hey, don't lie for him, man.
I've been waiting on y'all.
Look at your friend.
Hey, I want one of those.
I want that and a scooter. Little Vespa. Hey, where's the place to park?
On the street.
Nah.
They gonna tell you that shit here. This your shit?
Nah, I'm over there.
Over there?
I don't know who that's it is.
Yeah, they gonna tell you this shit right here.
No.
The shit show.
Where's everybody at?
Who everybody?
Like, where's the shit at? Where's
Down there.
all the way down?
Nah, it's walking. Nah.
It's at Goodell Park. Goodell.
Where's that at?
It's on. It's a little bit. It's Broad. You turn down Broad. It's right there. Turn right on Broad.
It's a park?
It's just some shit blocked off.
What's going on?
It's Pride.
A what?
Pride, so all the gays are.
Oh,
Nah. You wanted to know what was over there.
no. That's it, though. That's all I need.
You don't see all these flags, man. Look at it.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
That's all it is. I'm getting off. You ready? Oh! That's soft ass suspicion, my boy. Come on. We out of here. We out of here. Come on, my boy. My boy. My boy.
This
Do your
is
thing.
better.
I ain't know you
All
using
that
that.
shit?
I ain't know you using that caddy
Yeah,
thing,
give
my
me
boy.
this. This
Yes,
is
sir.
better.
I'm gonna see you down there.
Best. Woo!
My bad. Hold on now. What the hell?
See, I bet I'd be sitting down circling it before I'm jumping around on the seat and shit. You know what I mean?
You ain't jumping around on that seat.
Yeah, you got a different outlook on shit, man.
I wish y'all knew the old me, bro.
You're not jumping on that seat. I'm just gonna say that right now. stopped in the middle of the road. I ran him over. You getting donuts?
Oh, bro.
I want one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was going to Dunkin' Donuts on Broad.
Dodge Park is at the end of this street. So come back. Come back if you want. You can't make it.
Hey, go get JB, because I can't pull over them yellow bars. We can just roll up right here and then we'll go out on the route.
Go around the other way.
I was going to, but I just followed y'all.
I'll tell him.
Alright.
What are you doing after this?
I don't know. You want to ride?
I mean, I want to ride right now. I don't want to stop riding. I just got gas and shit. You alright?
He got cut off.
Hey, you want to move your bike over here? My bad, I would have helped you up, but the cop was right there. You got it, boss man?
We saw it. Somebody cut him off.
Really?
Yeah, somebody just cut him off straight up.
All right, man.